Hi, I'm Dr. Fatima Larry, and today we're going to go through a critical body system. So understanding the anatomy and physiology of your body and how the various systems and members work together will help you understand the interactions between medicinal herbs and their impact on various parts of the body. So today we're going to go through a high-level overview of the cardiovascular system, which is also called the circulatory system. This system, consisting of the heart, blood, and blood vessels, runs parallel to the lymphatic system and the immune system. And we previously talked about those two systems, the lymphatic system being the fluid system in balance and the immune system being the defense and protection system. So now the goal of the cardiovascular system is to serve as the circulatory pathway to ensure every part of the body receives blood containing nutrients and oxygen. In addition, the blood also removes waste from organs, tissues, and cells within the body. So the flow of the cardiovascular system operates through pumping blood and blood circulation. This is how the heart and blood vessels work together to move blood through the body. The heart is responsible for pumping oxygen-rich blood from the left side to the large arteries, which carry it to smaller blood vessels called capillaries. In the capillaries, oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the body's cells, and waste, say for example like carbon dioxide, travels back to the heart through veins and is sent to the lungs to get fresh oxygen and release carbon dioxide. So in addition, you have other types of waste like urea, ammonia, lactic acid, and byproducts from cellular metabolism, as well as excess hormones. These are all picked up and removed through the liver and or kidney. So this process is controlled by signals from the brain and special molecules that help blood vessels, say for example, open and close as needed. So this flow of blood is based on, as I mentioned, the central organ is your heart. The heart is situated and positioned next to the lung, and it's within the thoracic cavity, and it's protected by the rib cage. The heart is responsible, as I mentioned, for this pumping action of blood throughout the various parts of the body using your vessels, your veins, and your arteries. The heart, blood, and blood vessels function in this interconnected manner, such that if any one component becomes diseased, damaged, or destroyed, it will actually impact various other body systems as well as the body as a whole, and this can lead to detrimental effects. So what I want us to think about is to understand that man has created and made various types of drug medications. And these medications can work and they can alter and manipulate the body. And specifically, did you know that the cardiovascular system is one of the main points of entry for drug medications, chemicals, and toxins that will actively circulate throughout your body? So these man-made drug medications and agents, they'll utilize this network of vessels, veins, and arteries as ports of entry, and they'll travel through the bloodstream, and these can quickly spread throughout the body. Including, you also should think about the fact that food nutrients are also disseminated and circulate to various organs, tissues, and cells, and thus this impacts various parts of the body too. So what I want us to start to get into just for a moment, many of us are already aware of numerous types of diseases that impact the heart, the blood, and blood vessels. And so I'm just going to go through a few, and we're going to briefly high level just list them out. So you have diseases such as diabetes, which is high blood sugar, hypertension, which is high blood pressure. You can also have hypotension, which is low blood pressure, cardiovascular disease. And so this is a heart disease, and it can come in the form of a chronic heart disease that can lead to a heart attack, as well as you can have an acute heart disease, which you can have an immediate impact in a heart attack, okay? And then you have high cholesterol. Now, high cholesterol can actually lead to atherosclerosis. And this is the formation of plaques. And this can actually happen over a long period of time before you even recognize or realize that something is happening. And this can lead to coronary artery disease as well as strokes. Okay, so the heart, blood, and blood vessels, these all play a vital role in the overall health and wellness of the body. So when we're considering medicinal herbs and holistic health and wellness options, we must truly ensure that we understand the cardiovascular system. So in our next video, we are going to go into this system, and we're going to truly understand, not with man's understanding or a false understanding, the careful design of this vital system to better understand the toxic impacts of different agents towards the cardiovascular system. We will also take a look at various types of medicinal herbs and holistic health and wellness options available to ensure their safe and proper use for the body. Reason being is that some areas within the cardiovascular system, if they're weakened or diseased, require actually more care and attention to ensure the overall health of the body. And how you understand this system and all the facets that impact the function of it can actually help you determine which choices are the most beneficial for you and your body. So we are now entering part 1 of the cardiovascular system. This is your body's lifeline. And we're going to carefully explore this vital system, this circulatory system, and how it is connected to your overall health and wellness. So the hope is that you will gain a better understanding of how to learn about medicinal herbal writing in a way that is clean, safe, and true for medicinal herbal and natural holistic health and wellness. I'm Dr. Fatima Larry, and thank you for tuning in.